Hey, I'm Patrick. I've been with Livewire 5 years. I'm a commercial lead. The thing I like about this job is that no 2 days are alike. Generally, with the commercial division, we're doing a lot of office buildings, a lot of conference rooms. We do have other jobs like the Park RVA, which is a nightclub where we're doing the whole AV system. You know, that's kind of the thing I love about this job. There's so much variety. For starters, we look at the equipment that we've been provided. We come up with a plan of attack for install, especially for starting from the ground up. We'll start by pre-wiring, and then once that phase of the job is ready, then we'll terminate and test and make sure all the infrastructure is good to go, and then we will start installing the equipment, which could be anything from hanging speakers to hanging TVs, installing racks, powering up all the equipment and giving it a full test run. Before Livewire, I worked at an HVAC supply house for many years. Before that, I did refrigeration controls. You know, I would build grocery stores from the ground up. We handled all the U-Cropses here in town. I started doing that when I was about 15 years old. So that's kind of where I got my background in this kind of field. So a little bit about myself. I'm married. I'm a father of 3 sons. I have what I consider a nice vinyl collection, nice record player. We've recently gotten into this band called King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard out of Australia. They take a lot of pride in how they're produced with different kind of vinyl splatter and different patterns on the records. It's fun to show it off when the record's spinning. The trophy collection kind of started out as a joke in the sense that I got one and I was really proud of it, and I thought, oh, let me just put it on display, and then it's kind of grown over the years. But I take a lot of pride working for Livewire. I feel like, you know, our reputation is well earned, and being a part of that makes me want to keep going and keep growing. I'm Patrick with Livewire. I'm a commercial lead, and it's time to get to work.